Aveda has released a new hair care line that focuses on bond building and strengthening hair. And let me tell you why I started using it. I'm about to relax my hair. I've been natural, I think, I want to say 5 years, maybe even more, and I just can't take it anymore. I am over it. I've been over it. Like, I've been over it for so long. Every time I would chop my hair off and it would come back in, I'm like, I'm ready to chop it off again. Because I can't deal with my hair. I don't know how to braid. My hair is very coarse. Even my edges don't want to lay down anymore. I cannot take it anymore. Let me show you guys my hair. You guys know I'm in the process of regrowing my hair, so it's still thin up here. It's gonna look even thinner once I straighten it out, because right now it's coarse, so it sort of like fills it out a little bit. But it's gonna look even thinner once I straighten it out, but I don't care. There's gel in my hair. My hair is like real dirty. So I did go ahead and relax it. This is what it looks like. I just let it air dry. I forgot to wrap it immediately. So the ends look like this. The top of it is really straight, but the ends look like frizzy because I just let it air dry. So I'm not putting no heat on my hair. I already put a relaxer in it. I'm praying that God it don't fall out. If it do, start all over again. I don't know. A week later, I was so excited to have my hair straight again. I started wearing space buns and ponytails. Knew better. What was I thinking? So my hair started falling out. And I know I said that if it did, I would cut it off. I wouldn't care. But honey, that was a lie. I was lying to myself. So when I saw this line from Aveda, I'm jumping on it. These products were gifted to me from Aveda, but all opinions are my own. Now, what I do first is I apply the Botanical Repair Bond Building Pre-Shampoo Treatment. This is a pre-shampoo. So you apply this to your dry hair. I just rub it in. You can definitely do it by sections if you want to. I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't have to like section my hair off. I just make sure it's massaged in. But I put this on. You can have it on for like 5 to 10 minutes before you shampoo your hair. This will repair damage and restore strength due to past chemical treatments. It's going to leave your hair soft and nourished and smooth. So that's going to prevent any kind of tangling or breakage during the shampoo process. So after I let that sit on for 5 to 10 minutes, I rinse it out. And then we're going to proceed with the Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. So there is a shampoo and conditioner in this line. The slip is amazing in this product. And my hair just feels so soft and nourished after I shampoo my hair. And you guys can see my hair is already wet. I'm just rubbing the shampoo through my hair. You can see the rich lather that builds up with this product. It is amazing. The shampoo is 97% naturally derived, silicone free, and it's 100% vegan for my vegan girlies out there. But I'm just massaging it into my scalp, making sure I'm getting it all through my hair to get out any edge control, gel, whatever product may be in my hair. I want to get it all out. Guys, I have to admit, honestly, sincerely, my hair has stopped breaking since using these products. I've used these about 3 to 4 times since I've received them, and my hair has completely stopped breaking. I have also stopped wearing the ponytails. But these products are amazing, and they smell incredible. Anyways, I washed my hair twice with the shampoo. After the shampoo was out, I applied the conditioner, which is what you're seeing right now, making sure I go throughout my hair with the conditioner. I do put on a lot of conditioner because my hair will soak up conditioner. This conditioner leaves my hair so soft and it smells so good. And I love how I'm putting it through my hair and my hair is not just a tangled mess. The slip is there. You can see how my hair is reacting to the moisture in the conditioner. Plastic shower cap to help seal in that conditioner. I let it sit on for about 10 minutes just to let my hair soak up the product. And after I rinse it out, this is how my hair looks. It is so soft, you guys. You guys can see it is not tangled up or anything. It's so easy to just comb it out once these products are applied to my hair. If you are interested in the Botanical Repair line, I will have a link down below in the description bar.